Welcome to this introduction to the secondary market. Have you ever wondered how stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments are bought and sold after their initial issuance? That's where the secondary market comes in. Let's explore its basics. The secondary market is a financial market where investors buy and sell securities that have already been issued. Unlike the primary market, where securities are sold for the first time, the secondary market allows for the resale of these assets. Common examples include stock exchanges like the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange and many more. How it's work in the secondary market: securities are traded among investors without the issuing company being directly involved. Transactions occur in two main types of markets. 1. Exchange market. Trades occur on formal exchanges such as the NSE or BSE where strict regulations ensure transparency and security. 2. Over-the-counter (OTC) market. Securities are traded directly between parties, often through brokers or dealers, without a centralized exchange. Importance of the secondary market: the secondary market plays a crucial role in the financial system by providing liquidity, price discovery, and investment opportunities. It allows investors to easily buy and sell securities, helping companies gauge their market value and raising confidence in the economy. Key participants: the secondary market involves several key players, including investors, individuals and institutions who buy and sell securities; brokers and dealers, intermediaries who facilitate transactions and provide market liquidity; regulatory bodies, organizations like the Securities and Exchange Board of India oversee trading activities to ensure fairness and transparency. Risks and considerations: while the secondary market offers many benefits, investors should be aware of certain risks such as market volatility, price fluctuations, and regulatory concerns. Proper research and risk management strategies are essential for successful trading. Conclusion: the secondary market is an essential part of the financial ecosystem, enabling the trading of existing securities and ensuring market efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, understanding how it works can help you navigate the world of investing more effectively. Happy trading!